Hi, here we're changing front brake pads on Audi A4 B6 1.9 TDI. First thing we're gonna do is remove the spring and the two bolts that hold the brake caliper. The two bolts are Allen key size 8. Next we're gonna unplug the connector for the brake pad wear sensor. Once we remove the brake caliper, now we need to move back the cylinder with this brake caliper compression tool. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna scrape the brake pads edges, because the brake disc has edge as well, and you don't want the two edges to touch each other. That's the edge on the brake disc. Next we're putting the new brake pads on, and then the brake caliper over them. Afterwards we put the two bolts we hold the brake caliper, and in the end we put the spring. Next we plug the connector for the brake pad wear sensor. Next we're gonna put the spring back on, then we're gonna put the wheel back on. Afterwards we're gonna go into the car, press the brake pedal a few times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position, and that's it. Thank you for watching.